Today we are installing a set of depot headlight assemblies and new turn signal lenses from LMC in this 91 GMC pickup. And we're going to do it in under 5 minutes. We're also going to change the bulbs, and we're going to add some dielectric grease for a long-lasting corrosion-free connection. Let's get right to it.
The tools you'll need to complete this job is a 5mm socket and ratchet, a T20 Torx bit screwdriver, and your choice of lights. Remove the 4 T20 Torx screws. Unplug the connectors from the lens. Replace your light bulbs if you so choose. Use a little bit of dielectric grease. Reinstall connectors in the new lens. Reinstall the 4 screws. If you're using a bit driver, be gentle and don't over torque them and crack the new lens. Repeat the same process on the other side. Using a 5mm socket, remove the 2 mounting screws that hold the headlight assembly in place. Gently remove the headlight assembly. The headlight assemblies came with new bulbs. Unplug or remove your old lights. I had no body damage, so I was able to remove the headlight assembly mount, which means I did not have to remove the grill, saving a lot of time. Reconnect your lights. Gently reinstall the headlight assembly. I had to use the old mounting bolts because they were different. They had a different thread size than the new mounting hardware, which we did not use. Has 1 Phillips screw for your headlight adjustment. My adjustment was off quite a bit, so I did a quick adjustment to get it close. Repeat the process on the other side. Peel off any protective coatings before testing. Like new. I apologize I don't have a quality headlight adjustment video. Thank you for watching. If this video helped, please hammer that like and subscribe button.